Hello, future international students. Congratulations on securing your study visa for Canada. Now that you're ready to embark on this exciting journey, let's ensure you're fully prepared for your arrival. Here are the top 8 things you should do before coming to Canada. Research your destination. Start by researching your destination in Canada. Learn about the city or town where you'll be studying. Explore its culture, climate, and local amenities. Understanding your new environment will help you adjust more easily. Financial planning. Next, it's time to plan your finances. Calculate your tuition fees, accommodation costs, living expenses, and other essentials. Make sure you have enough funds to sustain yourself throughout your stay in Canada. Consider setting up a Canadian bank account for convenience. Accommodation arrangements. Don't leave your accommodation to chance. Secure your housing well in advance. Whether you'll be living on campus, off campus, or with a host family, ensure you have a place to stay when you arrive. Reach out to your university's housing office or explore rental options online. Health insurance check. Health insurance is crucial for international students in Canada. Research your options and ensure you have adequate coverage for medical emergencies and routine healthcare needs. Familiarize yourself with the healthcare system in your province. Attend pre-departure orientations. Many universities offer pre-departure orientation sessions for international students. Attend these sessions to learn about academic expectations, immigration procedures, and cultural adjustment tips. It's a valuable opportunity to prepare yourself for life in Canada. Explore Canadian culture. Take the time to learn about Canadian culture, customs, and traditions. Embrace the multiculturalism and diversity that Canada offers. Get ready to immerse yourself in new experiences and make lifelong memories. Pack smart. Pack wisely for your Canadian adventure. Bring clothing suitable for Canada's diverse climate, including warm attire for the winter months. Don't forget essential documents like your passport, study visa, acceptance letter, and any medical records. Stay informed and excited. Lastly, stay informed and excited about your upcoming journey. Keep abreast of immigration updates and travel advisories. Embrace the opportunities that await you in Canada and get ready for an unforgettable experience. And there you have it, the top 8 things to do before coming to Canada as an international student. Remember to stay organized, stay informed, and most importantly, stay excited for this incredible journey ahead. Safe travels, and we'll see you soon in Canada.